How to convert USDC to USDT on Binance. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to convert USDC to USDT on Binance. So first thing, just head over to your Binance application. And once you're inside here, just select this option trade at the bottom of your screen. And you can see at the top left corner, the convert option is there. So you just have to select this convert option. So once you're inside here, just select this USDC under the from section. So I'll just simply select USDC under the from section and make sure you have selected the USDT option in the to section. As you can see, it's already selected on USDT. So from over here, you just have to enter the amount to which you want to convert it to USDT, how much amount you want to convert to USDT, and once you click on this preview option, it should show you the option about how much USDT you will be getting for that particular provided USDC. And once you see the confirmation screen, you simply have to click on confirm your order. If you don't have sufficient funds, you have to deposit. So once you do all of that, you should be successfully converting USDC to USDT on Binance. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.